Hi, my name is Carsten Marquardt. I come from Germany and I'm a martial artist. I want to tell you my experience about two products from very end. These two, Pulse and Lunay. It can change your workout absolutely. The Lunay change fat and muscles, and it's an absolute great body shaper. And Pulse make it that your muscles get over 20% of more steam to work with it, and you get more strong to your muscle. It's absolutely great. It's my experience. Check these two great products, and I think you can change your training to burn up your life. Thanks.